What's the meaning of absentee ballot? Absentee ballot. Absentee ballot. Absentee ballot. Absentee ballot. Absentee ballot. An absentee ballot is a ballot that is cast by a voter who is unable to vote in person at their polling place on election day. Absentee voting is also known as voting by mail or postal voting. Absentee voting is a convenient option for voters who are unable to vote in person, such as those who are sick, disabled, or traveling on election day. Absentee voting is also a popular option for voters who want to avoid long lines at the polls. In the United States, absentee voting is available in all 50 states. However, the rules and procedures for absentee voting vary from state to state. In some states, voters must have a valid excuse to vote absentee, such as illness or disability. In other states, voters do not need to have a valid excuse to vote absentee. To vote absentee, voters must first request an absentee ballot from their local election office. Once the absentee ballot is received, the voter must complete the ballot and return it to their local election office by the deadline. The deadline for returning absentee ballots varies from state to state. Absentee voting is a convenient and secure way to vote. Absentee ballots are counted along with ballots cast in person on election day.